Hi everyone, my name is Dion. Welcome to my channel, Fleur de Lis Living. Today we're going to go to a Lowe's in New Orleans and shop for plants for my mom's backyard.
The California elephant ears, $20. Water. Keep moist first week, 2 times per week after. Average mature size 3 to 4 high, 3 to 4 wide. I think that might work for mom. I think I'm going to grab one. This is a purple fountain grass, $8. I like the price. I just bought one for my house. Water, keep moist first year, 1 time per week. Wholehearted $1.20. Let's go look at the crotons. And it is so humid here in New Orleans, I gotta get out of this heat. Let's see. Let's go look at the crotons. How much? 6+ hours. These are pretty. $17 contractor pack. I don't know anything about these plants except they're tropical. This is a pretty one. Might be able to divide this one. I don't know if that's a thing with crotons. That's keep moist first year, 2 times per week. 5 feet by 3 to 4 feet wide. Wow. He'll be in a pot. So what we have, let's get some dirt. Let's get some dirt. I wish I could take that Fleur de Lis home with me. I want that in my garden. Let's see. Potty mix. No. Too moist. Let's see. Raised blend. All purpose. I really want some succulent soil, at least to mix. It's just so damn wet. Cactus, citrus, palm. Okay. Whew, I have to get out of this heat, y'all. My goodness. So we have one empty pot. Her little plant for the kitchen. Isn't it cute? Look. This is her little pot in the kitchen. If you guys can see that, $9.48. Sorry, I didn't mean to make you guys dizzy. Let's see. So we're going to get one bag. How many cubic feet is this? 1.5. I don't know. That might work. That might work. So let's get this one. Let's get this one. Let's see. Can I pick it up? Pick it up and put it in here. Oh my goodness. It's like whenever you think about buying heavy stuff like this, you're like, how do I get it in the cart? Hold on, y'all. All right, we got our cactus soil. It's about to start raining. Let me get out of here. My hair can't get wet anymore. Let's see. I'll try this one bag and see what happens. Let me get out of here because a rain cloud is coming. All right, guys.
Thank you guys for shopping with me at Lowe's in New Orleans. I'll see you in the next video.